Hello, this is Vinit and I'm back with another update, and this will be the final one for the day, and we are looking at the gold chart. It's a 4-hour chart denominated in US dollars. So the symbol is XAUUSD. So before we talk a bit about gold, I wanted to talk about how can you tell without looking at the price chart. Only look at an RSI if a price is in an uptrend or in the downtrend. So now we're looking at a price that is clearly, by looking at the price, it's clearly in an uptrend. But if you look at the RSI, look at the center line. Center line in the RSI is 50. And that is so RSI goes anywhere from 0 to 100. But anything 30 or below is way oversold. 70 or higher is overbought. 50 being the neutral. So if the price is between 50 and 100 or 70, that's the bullish bias, and the RSI value between 50 and 30 is a bearish bias. So now if RSI value over time, say 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, remains consistently over 50, that means the price is in an uptrend. So if say more than 60 or 70% of times it's above 50, so the price is in an uptrend, and vice versa. If it's below 50 and above 30 or even below 30, that means the price is in a downtrend. So here we can see clearly anytime it goes below, bumps right up. So most of the time it's staying above 50, and there are a lot more times that it's going above 70 than it is going below 30. So since earlier this year, it's gone below 30 only once, but it has gone above 70 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more times than I can care. So it's clearly in an uptrend. It clearly is not about to. I don't see any signals. There are no divergences, no nothing. It's a very pure uptrend. It's making, steps higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and now hopefully it's going to make a low somewhere between here 20. Right now it's 23.65, and I think it'll make a low between here and let's draw a horizontal line. And around here somewhere. So around say 2300. So as long as it doesn't breach 2300, I am okay. I'm okay going in, adding further to my positions. So it's 2300 is the line in the sand for gold to maintain. So it needs to bounce and bounce back hard before it touches 2300, or we'll have to go look at the chart again and reassess to see if the uptrend and if the bullish wave is still valid or not. So there's a lot of support around 2300, and I think it'll hold, and it should bounce right back. And I think the next stop should be 2500. So let's see. So I'm watching this one closely, and I'll keep you guys posted. So we get a lot of questions around gold. We have a lot of folks that follow us there who love gold. So I just want to make sure that we guys give you a regular update, especially when there are corrections, because that's when you guys need the most up-to-date analysis to see where things are. So if you are in any trades right now, I would say hold it till we get closer to 2300, and then we'll take another look at it. All right, guys. I think that's the last one for the day, and I will talk to you tomorrow morning. All right, guys. Thank you.